Learn how to apply a coupon code on the CPAP Shop's website in this video on both web and mobile. Find the products you'd like to buy and add them to your cart. Once you've added all the products you need to your cart, go to our checkout page. On the right side of your screen, you'll see your order summary, total, and blue text beneath it that says, "Apply a discount code." Click the down arrow to open the box to apply the code you have. Type the code in and click Apply. Once submitted, you will see a green text box telling you your code was successfully applied. The savings breakdown will also be listed for you to see, and your updated order total is listed in bold. Lastly, fill in your name, shipping address, and other prompts to complete your order. Plugging in a code on mobile is very similar. Once you've selected your products, click Add to Cart at the bottom of your screen. Then push Proceed to checkout. Click the drop-down arrow of the order summary to see your price breakdown. Apply a discount code by clicking the down arrow to open the box to apply the code you have. Then click Apply. A green text box will appear telling you your code was successfully applied. You'll now see a savings breakdown and updated order total. Click the up arrow next to Order Summary to close that box and fill in your information to complete your order. You're all set. Thanks for choosing the CPAP Shop for all your CPAP needs. Don't forget to sign up for our newsletter to get the latest promotions and discount codes directly in your inbox.